Hi. Hi.
Hello.
This video is for beginner English learners who want to stretch their whole body and learn English at the same time. At Mind Body English, we connect mind to body by learning English through movement. My name is Jade, an experienced English teacher with a passion for fitness and health. Let's start. This video has English for beginners. Today we will look at body parts and action verbs. Here are some of the words we will look at today. Some tips for watching this video. First time, watch and listen. Second time, watch again, listen, and do the movements. Third time, watch, listen, do the movements, and try to repeat the words, phrases, or sentences. This video is for educational purposes only. Please listen to your body and do what's right for you. This is not medical advice. We will stretch our whole body. First, warm up, then standing, next, hands and knees on the floor, and last, lying down on the floor. For warm up, let's start with our neck. Gently move your neck, move your head in a circle. Gently and slowly. Now move your neck, move your head in the other direction. Gently and slowly. Next, we will stretch our arms and shoulders. Put your arms out. Slowly move your arms like a circle. Now move your arms the other way, the other direction in a circle. Ooh. Do you hear my shoulder pops? The bone is popping. I don't know why. Let's continue with standing stretches. Grab your ankle and stretch your upper leg. It's okay if you don't have balance. I have trouble with balance too. You can use a wall or a chair to help. Now make sure your knee is not out. Your knee should be in. Pull the ankle to your butt here and stand up straight. Switch to the other side. Grab your ankle with your hand. Pull your ankle to your butt, your knee is in, close to your other knee. If you are a little wobbly or unbalanced like me, that's okay. Next is body twist. Put your left arm in front and your right arm behind. Open your chest and look straight. Shoulders down. You will feel a twist here in your core. Let's move the other way. Right arm forward, left arm back, shoulders back and down. Breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Make sure to breathe. Next is hands and knees. Come to hands and knees. This is called tabletop. Imagine your back is the top of a table. You want to be flat. We will look up. Make your body like a U. Breathe out. Look down. Curve your back like a hill or a mountain. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Look down. Curve your body. Next, move your right arm forward and your left leg back. You can point your toe if you want. Try to be in a straight line, not like this or like this, but more of a straight line here. Other side, left arm forward, right leg back. Move to sitting. We will do 2 sitting stretches. First is butterfly. Touch your feet together. Open here. Try to push your knees down to the ground. And you can pull in your ankles. Now cross your ankles. Sit up. Right arm on the floor. Move your left arm up and move it over. You will stretch here. Now other side, left arm on the ground, on the floor, right arm up, stretch over. You will feel a stretch here and along your arm. Okay, next we have lying stretches. So move to your side and roll to your back. First is happy baby. Grab your toes or the side of your foot here on the outside. You can rock. Breathe in, breathe out. This is too difficult. Here or here is okay. Below your knees. Here. Take your left arm out and your left leg across. Your shoulders should be on the ground. We don't want to be up like this or like this. We want our shoulders on the ground. Now, the other side, I'm going to move because the wall is here. So, coming down, put your right arm out and grab your right leg with your left hand and pull across. Pull. Your shoulders should be on the ground. Okay, next, move your right ankle to your left knee. Grab your left leg and pull your left leg up. You will feel the stretch here. Point your toe to the ceiling. Point your toe. Oh, this one hurts a little, but also feels good. Okay, next, put your left ankle on your right knee. Grab your right leg, and pull. You'll feel the stretch here. You might also feel the stretch here. One side might feel different than the other side. That's okay. All right. Last stretch. Move your arms above your head Move your legs down. Starting over. Stretch your arms, your hands above your head, and stretch your legs down this direction. So almost like the top of your body and the bottom of your body are stretching away from each other. All right, move to your side. Push yourself up. You can sit with your legs crossed, your ankles crossed. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. How does your body feel? Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, we are finished. So let's look at some questions. What is this new word that we learned? Reach. Reach. Can you reach with your body? Next question. Who is doing the action in this sentence? The sentence is pull your leg across your body. Pull your leg across your body. Who is doing the action? So the answer is you. Sometimes in English, we can drop or remove the subject when it is a command or a direction. I tell you to pull your leg across your body. I don't have to say you for directions. Last question. What is one new word or phrase that you learned today in this video? Please comment the word or phrase below. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications with the bell. Ding, ding, ding. This will help me make new videos for you. All right. Thank you. We did it.